Hey everyone! So this one was way less of a struggle. This is a simple one. I was like, this doesn't match, it doesn't look good, it's been beat up, it needed help. So I simply gave it a good scuff sanding. I added some blue chalk paint, about 3 coats to all the wood part. And I did end up sealing that with a clear coat intended for chalk paint. And then I went ahead with the faux leather stools and I used the all-in-one bone paint. Bone is the color. All-in-one. I rolled it on with a roller, just meant for smooth finish, but it doesn't really matter because they didn't really have a smooth finish. But anyway, rolled it over, I think 3 different times. I did 3 different coats on that. And it turned out pretty good. I don't necessarily love the blue for my house. I'm not sure that it's going to stay that color, but I'm really impressed with the all-in-one paint on leather. How amazing did that turn out? Pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.